Okay, here we have a whopping commercial blender, and it seems that it keeps turning off most of the time. So we're gonna remove the control board and see what problem we find. Make sure to always remove 4 squares that actually hold the motor in place. Tilt the motor towards the side to be able to remove the screws that hold the display board. Man, it's really tight. It's coming, it's coming. Okay, we got that. We got 2 down, 2 to go. Okay, here's the thing. Gotta always make sure you put all the screws on the control board, because once you put a screw on the motor, there's no way you can put the screws to the control board. Okay, so I bolted the control board or display board. They're actually both in one. And now the motor is not placed on there. Now, first thing you got to do before actually placing the motor in place, you got to put this cover, because it locks right in place. It fits really tight. Once the motor's on there, you won't be able to get it in there. Just like you can actually remove it unless you remove the motor first. Now remember that before you actually do anything with the motor and secure it in place, you got to make sure you put the screws on the board, because afterwards you won't be able to do anything. Let's go ahead and put this cover in. Okay, we're going to leave the wiring for last. Okay, in case you ever take one apart and forget to where the wiring goes, this side, so on this side you have these 2 connections. Brown one goes on the left, the blue on the right. The other 2, black one on the right, the pink on the left. And always make sure you put these wires right through this opening. Same here. Now, before I actually close this down, if you need to check for the brushes and see what condition they're in, you're gonna need an L wrench to open it up. And these brushes are actually not that expensive. Oops. So they still got plenty of life on them, but you need to, every time you work on one of them, you need to remove all the dust from the brushes, clean them up, use a blower, and put it back in place. So if you have a whopping blender that is not turning, this is the first thing you want to check for, your brushes. Once the brushes are completely worn out, there's no way that that's gonna run. There you go. Well, there you go. Completely fixed.